So confidence isn't a trait. No, it is a recipe, and it is built over time. That's right. It takes time. Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I am the woman I needed when I was a young girl. I don't talk about confidence as something you either have or you don't have. I talk about confidence as something that you build slowly, imperfectly, and through real life experience. And today, I want to bring us back to something important as we head into the new year. The idea that confidence isn't a personality trait. No. My perspective of confidence is that it is a recipe. That's right, a recipe. I mean, we talk a lot about confidence like it's a finished product. I mean, think about it, how we talk about it. She's confident. Oh, that girl, she just has confidence. Oh, just go out there, be confident. Get up on stage, have confidence. But confidence, it does not work that way. Confidence is the result. It is not the starting point. And if you've been following my work for any amount of time, you know I come back to this idea again and again because this is my true belief. Confidence is built by mixing the right ingredients, not by wishing harder. And in my work and in my life, those ingredients are simple, but not easy. We've got grit, moxie, and critical thinking as our ingredients. Not as buzzwords, no, but as lived skills. Grit, that moment you show up before you feel ready. You have the courage or the curiosity. Moxie is a part of you that keeps going after disappointment or failure and you get back. And critical thinking, oh, my favorite. It helps you decide what actually belongs in your life and also what doesn't. So here's the problem. Most people are taught to chase confidence before they understand. They understand the ingredients. So they look for shortcuts. I mean, it's human nature, right? They copy other people's recipes. They follow advice that wasn't written for their life. And they try to skip steps. And then they wonder why nothing sticks. I mean, if you've ever felt like you're constantly starting over, it's probably not because you failed. It's because no one ever handed you the recipe. But I have it. So no one explained that growth isn't linear, that ingredients get added at different times, that some lessons, they take longer to cook. In that comparison, it ruins the process every time. I mean, think about it. We don't expect a recipe to work if we leave things out, right? And we don't blame ourselves when a first attempt doesn't taste right. We adjust the recipe. And we are all individuals and we're all different, so we need adjustment. But when it comes to personal growth, we are brutal on ourselves. We tell ourselves, well, I should be further along, or I shouldn't still be struggling with this, or other people make this look so easy. Why is it so hard for me? And that mindset alone, it can stall progress for weeks, months, even years. So here's something I wish somebody would have told me earlier. You don't build confidence by becoming someone else. You build confidence by understanding how you work, how you process information, how you respond to pressure, how you recover from failure, and how long it takes you to actually trust yourself. Those things matter. And as this year comes to a close, this isn't the moment to judge yourself. It's the moment to take inventory. And not of what you accomplished, but think about this past year and what you have actually learned. What situations required grit this year? Where did moxie show up, even if it was quiet? And when did critical thinking save you from something that wasn't right for you? I can name tons of things this year. Those moments, they count. They are part of the recipe, even if no one clapped for them. And here's the part that matters most as we head into a new year. You don't need a new personality. You don't need to be reinvented, and you don't need to throw out everything that you've learned. You just need to keep mixing. Adjust the recipe for you. Because confidence isn't built in January. It's built in everyday ordinary moments when you choose to stay curious instead of critical, honest instead of performative, and patient instead of being rushed. That is real growth. So if this made you think, well, sit with it. And if you want more conversations like this, not louder, not faster, just more honest, you can find me here. You don't need to be fixed. You just need space to understand yourself and to grow.